this spirit spoon for this one.
A homemaker in the kitchen, pots clinking, cooking up love flavors, never shrinking. She adores her man, feeds him like a king. Her heart in the meals, that's where the magic's been. Her love on the stove, passion in every bite. Culinary queen, her love's cuisine, hearts intertwined in a dish is serene. Cooking up joy, happiness, fresh green, filling their souls and love supreme.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This evening I'm making something with these cosmic chicken nuggets that I picked up for $1.99. I picked up, I think it was 3 bags. I still have this bag and half of a bag left. But I want to do something with this. I want to soup them up. I want to make it different. Not just chicken nuggets, but something different. So I'm going to cook them for 8 minutes in the air fryer. And then we're going to do something with this. We're going to soup it up. This is how much I have in that bag. So there's quite a bit. So I can make a meal for me and Jay with this. Let's do that. If you watched my video for my $40 challenge when I started last week for week 1, I made this wonderful spaghetti sauce in the crock pot. I want to show you how I spread a pack of ground beef and how many meals I can make with ground beef. Well, I took a cup and a half of that sauce and put it aside and froze it. So I put this in the microwave to warm it up, and we're going to use this with the nuggets today. And I think this is going to turn out to be an absolutely delicious meal. This sauce has many good ingredients. It's got lentils, mushrooms, tomatoes, carrots. So if you want the full recipe, I'll put the link below this video and you can go check it out. It's a crock pot video. So this was made in the crock pot, so it was in there for a good 6 hours. And let me tell you, it is an awesome, awesome sauce. And this is going to make the meal pop and make it completely different. Okay, so the nuggets are ready. Let's take that out. Let's put that on something. So let's put it on this one. Okay. So we're going to put it in a Pyrex glass container, or whatever you call it. Let's put that in the Pyrex, because we're going to put it in the oven, guys. So one by one, we're going to place them. Well, maybe I'll keep a couple for you-know-who. Bella. She loves chicken, right? And we need to fit it all in there. I'm gonna try to, maybe I'll have to put some standing up a little bit like that. Got star shape, moon shape. It's all good. Half moons. It's all good. I'll put one aside here. There we go. And one aside for me. There we go. So there we go. We got all those chicken nuggets in there. Not to clean that after. Okay. So here it is, chicken nuggets in the Pyrex. Now I'm going to take my beautiful sauce. I'm going to pour it on top. If I had Parmesan cheese, it would be a chicken parm kind of thing. But we don't have Parmesan cheese. We only have marble cheese. So this was done on a budget because these nuggets were $1.99 a bag. The sauce itself was cheap to make as well. That's stretched for 4 meals, guys. 4 meals, that whole entire thing of sauce made. 4 delicious meals. And this is my 4th meal. And so did that ground beef. That ground beef really stretched as well. I still have hamburgers I have to eat from that ground beef. Those are in the freezer. I need buns for that, so I'm going to make buns this week. But yeah, this is really stretching really well. There we go. That's on top, right? This one right here, it's kind of sticking up, right? So let's push it down a little bit. Make sure there's sauce on top of that. All right. I got lots of cheese here. I think there's about a cup and a half of cheese, and we're just going to smother it on top. We're using lots of cheese for this one. This cheese I got on special, and I bought 3 bars at a time when I got this. And yeah, I love Armstrong cheese. There we go, my friends. And we got some fried crispy onions. French's fried onions. So, you know what we're doing with that. I got this at Christmas time when I made green bean casserole. So we're going to use some of that in here as well. So on top, look at this supreme chicken nuggets. Just like, bam! Delicious, right? And that's going in the oven at 425 for 15 minutes because we just want the cheese and everything to melt on top. So, I'll be back. Okay, so it's time to come out of the oven. Been 15 minutes. Bella, get out of the way. Oh, gosh. Golly, that looks delicious. Oh! Look at this. Look at that. Full of cheesiness, guys. Full of cheesiness. This looks good. I can't wait to dig into this. Look at that. Let me zoom in on that. It's not letting me zoom in. There we go. Let's zoom in on that. Ooh, yeah. Baby, baby, baby. Look at this. Can't wait to dig in tonight, babe. This looks really good. Come and see this. You gotta see this masterpiece here. Full of cheese, chicken. My special sauce. Ooh. Doesn't that look good, babe?
It does.
I could hear it sizzling. So let's put that on a plate and let's have dinner.
All right.
Let's see what it looks like. It's not sizzling anymore. Oh, God, look at that. Oh, mamma mia. Cheesiness of this thing. You get half, I get half.
Sounds like a plan.
It's a lot of chicken nuggets, so. There we go. Baby! Baby! Look at that. Okay, I need another one. I'm gonna call that a cheesy chicken nugget bake. Yes, that's the name of it, baby. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll be back soon with some more recipes, so stay tuned. Be sure to hit on that subscribe if you haven't. And, yeah, let me know if you would try this. Because I think this is one that's going to go in on my favorites list. I haven't even tried it yet, and I know it's going to be good. So there we go, guys. Have a great night. Bye for now.